Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing identifiers, PAN, Challan acknowledgement or CIN if available, and the bank used for payment. Once done, go to the official tax or bank Challan inquiry page and sign in or use guest search where offered. Make sure to select the correct assessment year and payment mode up front because that narrows results and saves time. You're now ready to run the first search for the paid Challan using those exact details. Now perform a targeted search. Input PAN or CIN and restrict the date range to the likely payment window. Next, filter by Challan type such as ITINS 280 and plug in the payment amount if you remember it. This reduces false matches. Once results appear, verify bank name, UTR or transaction ID, Challan serial, and tax head. These must match your bank statement. If multiple records match, compare UTR. Finally, download or print the validated Challan and save the CIN, UTR, and payment date in your records. Then cross-check the details against your bank statement and Form 26 as or the tax credit ledger to confirm the tax was credited correctly. If you find a mismatch, first contact your bank with the UTR to trace the payment. If that fails, escalate to the tax department helpline with screenshots and the CIN. That single escalation step usually resolves lingering discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.